celebration. Last night, tinutukan na naman ng lahat ang live gala. Proteges plus their mentors ang labanan. Ang mga kaganapan last night, watch this.
Sa unang pagkakataon, magsasani puwersa ang bagong samahan ng mentors at proteges in a showdown for survival. Saksihan ngayong gabi ang salpukan ng top 10 kasama ang kanilang mga mentors dito sa Protege, the battle for the big artista break.
What's your bad romance?
I want your drummer, the touch of your hand. I want your leather studded kiss in the sand. I want your love.
Hey Sandra, she's very sultry. Gusto ko makita kung kaya matransform siya sa isang parang believable na inaapi. Si Thea naman, nakita natin na pwede ka palang versatile.
Insecure, don't know what for.
Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it.
Mikoy, nagulat ako sa'yo. Lumabas na pwede kang salbahe. Si Jeric, inaasahan ko na yan eh. Pambida yan.
Oh baby, please give a little respect. Give a little respect to me.
Jobs, today you are endearing. I didn't think that I would have you in my top list. At of course, Elle, you're in my top 4.
Fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning. Fever all through the night.
Nailabas mo yung gusto mong mangyari kay Brian. Yung galaw niya, pang-action. Si Shelly, I'm happy to note, alluring and sexy.
Because of you, I am afraid. Because of you.
Si Ruru kasi, even if yung ibang movements niya awkward, I think that's part of his charm. Si Arnie naman, parang mas mature ka compared sa lahat ng iba. Ang gusto ko lang sana makita, kung malabas mo yung youthfulness mo, kung malabas mo yung vulnerability mo.
Sa pinagsamang boto ng taong bayan at scores ng judges, Arnie, your battle ends tonight. Thank you, Arnie, and goodbye.
Feels like I'm standing on a timeless street of light mists with pale ambrose. Feels like I'm lost in the deep cloud of heavenly scent. Touching, discovering you.
Oh, babay na kay Protege Arnie. Kaya 9 proteges na lang ang natitira. Ano kaya paglalabanan nila next week? Kaya dapat tumutok kayo sa mga webisodes namin dito sa gmanetwork.com/protege and of course, Inside Protege gabi-gabi sa GMA. This has been your WebJock, Maxine Magalana. Pa-share, pa-like. O ano, kailangan ba palagi nalang pansit? Di pwedeng carbonara, lasagna, birthday spaghetti, putanesca. Pansit yan. Nay! Nay, pakanton ka naman, oh. Nay, pansit. Pa-share, pa-like.